Well, that halloumi's looking lush and golden. These burgers all smashed down into that grill. Fantastic. Some capers through there, some olive oil, red wine vinegar. Nice crust on those. Ready to cook as soon as you're on the campsite. Hello, I'm Fell Foodie and I'm here in the Peak District with Campingaz. We're going to be cooking up some beef smash burgers and halloumi burgers here on the Bistro Grill. For this recipe, you will need 4 brioche buns, some halloumi cheese, some sliced Edam cheese, gem lettuce, red onion, some tomatoes, beef mince, some salsa verde and a mustard gherkin mayo. The Bistro Grill runs on the CP250 gas cartridge, has a nice tilted grill with a built-in grease trap, again removable, then we cook these burgers so easy for clean up afterwards. You've got a wonderful heat transfer system as well, getting all that heat through this grill really nicely, getting even cooked through these burgers. Let's get them on. So the grill's heating up, so we'll get this halloumi chopped up, ready to go on. Not too thin, decent thickness to the halloumi, a little bit of oil on the grill as well, just to help those non-stick qualities, and get these on. So now the halloumi's on, the grill's nice and hot, we'll take some of our beef mince, roll this up into a ball quite tight, bit of oil on the grill, and get these on. Don't move them around, leave them, nice to get a little bit of crust on the bottom before we're going to smash those into the grill. So now everything's on the grill, you can get prepared with some of the veg to go on these burgers afterwards. Little toppings as well, a nice salsa verde to go on the halloumi, some capers through there, some olive oil, red wine vinegar. You can find this recipe on the Go Outdoors website. And again, similar with the mustard mayonnaise here with some gherkins through. Make these at home first, pack them out with you, buy a shop bought one, or make them on site. So let's get some of these onions and tomato chopped up, ready to top these burgers once they're all cooked. Nice and thinly sliced, little discs of onion. We'll do the same again with the tomato, nice thin slices. Finally, just tear off some of these leaves with the lovely gem lettuce. Well, that halloumi's looking lush and golden, so let's get these burgers all smashed down into that grill. Now those smashed burgers are all squashed down, quite thin, we can leave a bit of thickness there, keep them nice and juicy, a bit of salt and pepper on the top of those as well. Wait for that crust to form, and get these flipped over with some cheese on. Nice crust on those, a bit more seasoning, and let's get that cheese on. Cheese on the burgers now, cook it up nicely. Let's get these buns made up, ready to take them off the grill. So for the halloumi, a bit of that salsa verde. You could toast these buns as well on the grill nicely. Bit of the mayo, mustard gherkin mayo on for the beef. And then your choice of veggies. So let's go some gem lettuce, bit of tomato, and some of those red onion discs. The halloumi looks ready, so let's plate up. And that cheese is all nice and melted, so let's get the beef smash burger off. And there we go then, beef smash burgers and halloumi burgers, cooked up on the Bistro Grill, available at Go Outdoors. Camp cooking made easy with Campingaz. I'm going to enjoy this burger now.